Is he never the due diligence?
I don't know.
All right, so this morning in the Smile Craft Corner, we'll be showing you how to make a confetti dispenser for your next celebration using only a toilet paper roll, a balloon, some tape, and cartridge paper.
When I feel like this, I'm going to have the same effect.
Well, I know. So this is the toilet paper, this is the balloon. Where the cartridge paper? Oh, the cartridge paper is around it.
That.
All right.
We're going to see what to do.
Yeah, show me what I want.
See?
Come, Jeremy, show me what I want to make a deal with it. No other part there. All right, we have that. Hold on, wait now.
Jaja, oh no, wicked. Aye, we cannot.
Which part you could?
Yeah,
go back a little bit.
Yeah, we need to reverse back and go back.
All right, just say cut, Sim. At the top you cut?
Yes, but how do you tie it?
Hold on now. Go back, go back, go back.
We're gonna have a good time tonight.
No, you're going too far.
No, go.
No, I want the balloon part.
There, never.
But it's not the top them cut.
It is.
No, sir.
Go on again.
I know the top that.
Yes, it is.
You sure? All right.
Yes.
All right, look at the top. Then what now? Huh?
I'm confused.
It's not the top you cut. It's not the top you cut. It's the bottom you cut. I know that.
The bottom you cut and then tie the top.
Right, and tie the top. Well, you don't rate me, you know. I'll General Soldier tell me about that.
Celebrate good time. What are you stretching for?
That.
I can't tie it. I'm trying to tie it. Here, you tie. Thank you. Yahoo.
Yeah, this is not easy to tie.
It's hard to tie.
Hold on, I could put it down.
But Shane, you already. Oh, here it is. A good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright.
Yeah. Why we need to tie it? No, but why we need to tie it?
Because you need to lock up the hole there, no? Well, we can't lasket it up. We have a lasket? Or just tie it up. Just tape it up so that it snap up.
We have to tape that part so the balloon stay.